Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just getting started with Power BI and want a simple step-by-step guide to cleaning up your data, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Power Query Editor inside Power BI to remove unwanted data, fix errors, and make sure you're working with a clean, reliable dataset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable navigating Power Query and confident in your ability to tidy up even the messiest tables. Let's jump in. First, we need to get into the Power Query Editor. This is basically where all the data transformation magic happens in Power BI. To do this, start by right-clicking on the data column you want to work with while you're in the table view. When you do this, a menu will pop up. From here, select Edit Query. Once you click that, Power BI will bring you right into the Query Editor window, where you'll see all your columns and can start making adjustments. Don't worry if this screen looks a little different than what you're used to. Think of it as your workspace for cleaning and shaping your data before you build your reports. Now, let's say you have a few columns in your dataset that aren't really useful for your analysis. Maybe they're leftovers from an import or just data you don't need right now. Instead of letting them clutter up your workspace, let's get rid of them. Here, how first hold down the Shift key and click on each column you want to remove. This allows you to select multiple columns at once, which is super helpful if you're dealing with a wide table. Once you've selected them, just right-click and choose Remove. Instantly, those unnecessary columns vanish. Your table is starting to look a lot cleaner already. And don't worry if you accidentally remove the wrong one. You can always hit Undo and try again. But what if you want to keep just one or two columns and get rid of everything else? Maybe you're focusing on a couple of key metrics and the rest is just noise. Here's a handy trick for that. Again, hold Shift and click to select the columns you want asterisk to keep this time. Then right-click and choose Remove Other Columns. Power Query will automatically strip away all the unselected columns, leaving only what you need. This can save a ton of time compared to removing unwanted columns one by one. Now sometimes, especially when you've merged data from different sources, you might end up with duplicate columns. That's pretty common and can definitely cause confusion down the line. No worries, all you need to do is right-click the duplicated column and select Remove Duplicate if you see that option, or simply remove the duplicates through the column tools available. This helps ensure your dataset stays neat and there's no overlap in your analysis. Lastly, let's talk about errors. Occasionally, you'll notice cells or even entire columns showing error messages. Maybe there was a problem importing the data or some calculation didn't work out as expected. Instead of leaving these errors to mess up your reports, it's best to remove them. Simply right-click on the column with errors and choose Remove Errors. Power Query will clean out any rows containing problematic data in that column, helping you avoid issues later when building visuals or running analyses. And that's it. Cleaning your data in Power BI is all about making sure you're working with only what you need, so your reports and dashboards are easy to read and reliable. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you run into something tricky in Power Query, just drop a comment below. I always check and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Power BI tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.